Welcome to the course Philippine Culture and Tourism Geography. So in this session, let's have an overview of the course. Course duration and instructor. So obviously, this course is meant for one semester, and in particular 18 weeks or so. So as for your instructor, yours truly, Mansoor Limba, PhD in International Relations, as well as a Sharia counselor at law. As for the course objectives, one is to identify the location of the regions in the Philippine map. Two, identify the physical features and regions of the Philippines and the impact of climatic differences on the flow of tourists. Number three, understand how tourism demand is influenced by social demographic trends and the resulting complex pattern demand. Number four, describe the local gateways and relevant features of internal transport of tourism. And number five, demonstrate knowledge of the tourist destinations, attractions, historical and cultural aspects of the area. So here is the course outline that we have. For week one, it will be meant for an introduction to culture and geography. So in this week, we will deal with the definition of both culture and geography, examples and their importance to the Philippine tourism industry. Week two will be a review of the Philippine history, the pre-colonial period, the Spanish period, the American period, the Japanese occupation. And week three is still a continuation of our review of the Philippine history. So we will deal with the liberation and contemporary Philippines, or what we call as the Philippines today. Week four will be about the Philippine geography. We will know the regions, the provinces, as well as important cities. And week five will be about domestic tourism at a glance. Week six, we will explore the different types or kinds of tourist attractions. And number seven, we will deal with each of the regions from then forward. So first we will have the national capital region, followed by the Cordillera Autonomous Region and the Ilocos region. Then number nine, obviously midterm exams. And then week 10, the Cagayan Valley and Central Luzon regions. Week 11, the Southern Tagalog regions of 4A and 4B. Then week 12, the Bicol and Western Visayas regions. For week 13, we have Central Visayas and Eastern Visayas regions. Then week 14, the Zamboanga Peninsula and Northern Mindanao regions. And then for week 15, the Davao and Southern Mindanao regions, it will be the region 11. Then week 16 will be about the Caraga and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Then week 17, we will have Philippine regional cuisines and cultural heritage exhibit. And finally, week 18, either we will have the food festival, actually the continuation of the exhibit, or the final exams. As for the ways on how to assess our performance, first we have midterm outcome-based activities that will consist of 70% of the midterm grade, and of course the midterm examination, which will be 30% of the midterm grade. And then we have pre-final outcome-based activities that will be 70% of the pre-final grade. And of course, we have the final examinations, which will be 30% of the pre-final grade. As for the references, there are references that we can identify. One is by Mason, Geography of Tourism, Image, Impacts, and Issues. We have by Michelle, Cultural Tourism Management, by Ariona, Community Involvement and Tourism Development, and Cruz Cultural Tourism, among others. We have Badilla, Philippine Tourism Geography and Culture. It's available in the Rex bookstore. And Donesa, Global Culture and Tourism Geography. So thank you so much. For any concern, you can email me or you can message me via Facebook Messenger. So thank you so much. See you in the next session.